about how you were with my parents. Yeah, it changed their mind. It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, it changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? Push me away, I wanna stay, baby. Push me away, yeah. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. I caught feelings, I got those feelings. I caught feelings.
Penoxyl is a benzoyl peroxide wash that comes in two strengths, 4% and 10%. I've been recommending it to my patients for years now because it's safe, effective, easily accessible. In my experience, benzoyl peroxide is often the fastest in terms of improving the inflammatory lesions, those classic zits that you might get. Penoxyl can be used essentially anywhere on the body where you have acne, from the face, neck, trunk, and extremities.
Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now.
The True Skin Vitamin C Serum is absolutely incredible for reducing wrinkles, fine lines, fading sunspots, and firming and brightening the skin tone. This not only shrinks pores, it clears acne, minimizes acne scars, and it has no chemicals added or fragrance whatsoever. So what does that mean? This means it's perfect for AM and PM use under moisturizer, as well as incredible for sensitive skin. This revitalizes aging skin with ingredients that help restore youthful appearance. With this product, a little bit goes a long way. All you need is about 2 to 3 drops into the palm. And what I do is I mold it into the hands, and then I go in again and I go up through the neck, and then I mold it onto the skin. You want to be careful without pulling and tugging at your skin because that helps with aging. What you want to do is be gentle with your skin, and when you're doing that and you're using an incredible product, it goes a long way.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, it changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find.